Hi, beautiful. What's up? So today we are going to make finger coils. I've done it before here, but this time around it's going to be a little bit different from what we did in our previous video. Let's get to work. All I'm doing here is braid a little at the root so it has some type of definition and not be all over the place. We're not braiding all the way down, just braid a little.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet in a casket. Won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. Got a weird mind. If you ain't got 8 hours,
So now that we are done with the foundation, we're making the foundation. What we need now is Eco Stella and water. Oh my god.
I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move shoes, new tracks like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, pushing till I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruise the squad. I had to
So you're just twirling it basically with one finger and calling it a day. That's why it says finger coils.
you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no
Try this together.
go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave.
Like,
Doing shit
this
my
is
way,
just a
on the
difference between
highway, and in the driveway. It's a
braiding it
nice
at the
range,
roots, where
'cause
you
I
have
grind
like
through the climb,
parts,
I invite pain.
and
You'll never hear me, bitch, nah,
you
I
can
don't
tell
complain. Just gotta flip the switch and
like
you can
styling
go
this
and
will be different
obtain
from
anything you want,
styling
anything you need. Your mind's got the
the
key
one without the
ingredients,
roots.
believe us. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel
Okay. Hopefully, when I wake up somewhere, it won't be ruined. I hope so. But this is it. Like, it's clean. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye. Okay, so I've had these finger curls in for about 2 weeks now, and this is still it. It's still looking really good. I washed it, not with shampoo though. I poured water. You know I like to wet my hair, so I've wet this like multiple times, and it's still here. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that you should definitely do these finger curls. Do it the exact way I did it, and you'll be able to wear it for long like this.